Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make paella. Paella is basically a Spanish rice dish, and the original dish is prepared with small grain rice, peas, fresh veggies, chicken, and in certain cases they also use duck. But in today's dish, that is paella, but it is going to be with a twist because it's going to be an Indian style paella dish. So there are going to be certain changes that I made to the recipe, and I hope you're going to like it. And to know more and how to prepare this dish, all you have to do is watch the video till the end, and I will catch you guys on the other side of this video. We will be starting with India Gate basmati rice. I'll be taking some and soaking it in water, and I have got a pot of water boiling. After it is boiled, I will be adding the rice and cooking the rice. This is how the rice should look. Then we'll be taking Venki's chicken Godrej's yummy chicken sausages, and I will be cutting them in circular motion like this, and I'll be adding butter in the pan. This is the nice sizzle I love, and make sure to keep your pan in medium heat. I'm going to be frying them up, and I will be frying them till they are a bit golden brown. And now I'm going to be adding a bit of red chili powder. I do like my food to be spicy, that is why I am adding red chili powder. After that, this is how the finished dish should look. We will be keeping this aside for now. I will be cracking 2 eggs, and I'll be making this into a scrambled egg. I have added black salt, red chili powder, and pepper. Whisk it well, and I am making the scrambled egg in a non-stick pan. I have used butter instead of oil because I like butter, and it gives a different taste to the egg as well. So this is how the scrambled egg should look. And then we'll be mixing the rest of the chicken sheik and chicken sausages together, and we will keep this aside for now. Then we'll add olive oil. I am using this one. You can use any olive oil you want. Then we'll be adding green chili and onion. Fry them until they turn a bit golden brown. Then add the rice, just the rice now, and mix it well. Then we will be adding the fried items like the chicken sheik and chicken sausages, and then mix it well in the rice. And before you take down the rice, add a bit of butter because it gives a very nice aroma and smell. This is how the final dish, Indian style paella or my style paella, looks. And now let's quickly go and give it a taste test. So here is the dish, and I'm going to be trying it out for the first time. So let's take a big bite with everything, with egg and everything. Yeah, tastes really good, and it's easy to make, and it's a complete meal. So make sure to subscribe to Soulclickstudio, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Tata, bye bye.